Making children future ready. That is what the purpose and the passion of organization Do It Yourself Academy, DIYA is.
A project filter, spacer, battery, barrel jack, power distributor, two LED modules, green and red, micro switch and jumper wires. If the micro switch, the red LED module acts as the green LED module because the circuit of the green LED module is open right now and the circuit of the red LED module is closed.
That we have is a wheel robot, and the movement of it is entirely based on the wheel beam placed on either side of the robot. It has an ultrasonic sensor fit to it, which acts as an eye to the robot, helping it to detect any obstacle on its way and to stop or move without any disturbance. This you see is a biped robot called Number Auto. This robot is designed and 3D printed entirely by us here at DIYA, and inside it is a lot of sensors helping it to display text and detect obstacles and a lot more other interesting things to explain. Here in this scene
panel, we're going to control our drone. Now let's take off the drone, and you can see the big drone has been taken off, and now we will make it move forward. So by making it move forward, it's going to move here. The drone is working according or is being controlled using this control panel, the control panel, and going to our commands.
Here is an app-based light system where we can switch on and off the light using the app even when we are not around it.